Hi everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to change the font in your Instagram bio, so you can make your profile stand out, show your personal style, or just add some flair to your online presence. Whether you want something bold, cursive, aesthetic, or playful. Customizing your Instagram bio font is easy, and best of all, you don't need to install any app to do it. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to use a free font generator that's compatible with Instagram. Open browser on your phone. On the search bar, type igfonts.io. When you are on a website, a box will appear that says, Add text here, then scroll down. Then type your desired bio text, like your name, profession, or a quote. As you type, you'll instantly see the text displayed in different font styles below. Scroll through the list of font styles. When you find one you like, press and hold on the font preview. Then tap Copy, or click the Copy button if using a PC. Make sure the font still remains readable, especially if you're adding emojis or symbols. Now, open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile. Under the Bio section, tap and paste the text you copied. Once it looks how you want it, tap Done or Save. And just like that, your Instagram bio now has a custom font. That's it. You've now successfully customized your Instagram bio with cool new fonts. It's a great way to express your personality and catch people's attention right away when they visit your profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more easy tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.